50 years ago, from 2020, in the time of 1970s, do you know which medicine was in most demand? What was the most common disease which was life-threatening? So we will talk all about these in detail here. When we talk about the time of 1970s, the story was a bit different from today. Many diseases which we think very common today were life-threatening at that time. In our past, due to the lack of medical advancement and many of these. One of the most common disease today we know acidity, which have a 5-minute solution today, but this was not so easy at that time. Acidity was one of the most common life-threatening disease in the time of 1970s. Thousands of people die due to acidity. Yeah, it's a real fact. Actually, it is caused by overproduction of acid in our stomach, hydrochloric acid that is. These overproduction of hydrochloric acid cause ulcers to develop in our stomach. In advanced stages, ulcers become life-threatening also, and the only treatment of these ulcers is removal of that part of the stomach. So it was, a very huge problem for the medical. Until 1970s, only treatment for acidity was administration of antacid such as sodium hydrogen carbonate or a mixture of aluminium and magnesium hydroxide. However, excessive hydrogen carbonate can make stomach alkaline and trigger the production even more acid. Metal hydroxide are better alternatives because they are being insoluble. They do not increase the pH above the neutrality. These treatments only control the symptoms and not the cause. You know, Therefore, these metal salt and patients cannot be treated easily. A major breakthrough in the treatment of hyperacidity came through the discovery according to which a chemical cimetidine, which is commonly known as Tegament, this medicine was largest selling drug at that time until another drug Zantac was developed. Actually, this cimetidine was designed to prevent the interaction of histamine with the receptor present in our stomach wall. Now you are wondering that what is this histamine? So histamine is a chemical which stimulates the secretion of pepsin and hydrochloric acid in our stomach, and this was a solution of the acidity problem. Before, we were only just neutralizing our stomach, but we are not controlling the cows, and this was the first time when we controlled the cows of excessive releasing of hydrochloric acid in our stomach. So this became the largest selling drug in the time of 1970s until another drug was invented, which was known as Zantac. So I hope you like this piece of information. For more information, just subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.